Da 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 da. Hello, friends. Put your thinking cap on, because once again, it's time to choose. Imagine this situation. A trolley is approaching a crossing. Beyond it, there are two sets of tracks. If no one intervenes, the trolley will move forward and kill 5 people. However, you have the possibility to pull a lever and deviate the trolley to a secondary track, and by doing so, kill one other person who happens to be caught by surprise on that track. The question is, will you pull the lever? To help us answer this dilemma, we have assembled an AI council. We asked Grok, Gemini, and ChatGPT. Because AI models are rapidly evolving, it is reasonable to assume that their answers may evolve over time. For that reason, let's put a timestamp on our interaction. We talked with them in January 2026. Here's the exact prompt we used. Let's feed it to the council and see what they say. And if you're watching this years from now, try the same prompt yourself. I will paste it in the description. I'd love to see how the answers shift over time. So let's see. ChatGPT said, yes, I will pull the lever, and explained with,
I would pull the lever because saving 5 lives causes less overall harm than letting 5 people die. Even though causing 1 death is tragic, choosing the option where fewer people are harmed respects the idea of minimizing suffering when no perfect choice exists.
Grok also responded with, yes, I will pull the lever, but gave a somehow larger explanation.
Pulling the lever means you're actively causing 1 death to save 5, which feels wrong because you're getting involved. But not pulling it lets 5 die when you could stop it, which might feel like ignoring the problem. I choose to pull it because saving more lives is the greater good. It's utilitarianism in action, focusing on outcomes over strict rules against harming. Real life is messier, but here, minimizing death seems right.
And Gemini was on the same page also, answering with, I would pull the lever to deviate the trolley, and explained with,
this is a classic utilitarian choice. While losing any life is a tragedy, pulling the lever saves 5 people at the cost of 1. From a moral standpoint, minimizing total harm is often seen as the most responsible path when faced with 2 impossible outcomes.
So the vote of the council was unanimous. Pull the lever. What do you think? Are you satisfied with the AI decision and with how it rationalized it? What would you do? Would you pull the lever? As for me, here are some thoughts to push you deeper into the rabbit hole. The only way to remain uninvolved is to not know. Once you are aware of the situation, you choose an outcome no matter what you do. If you don't pull the lever, you consciously let 5 people die. If you do pull it, you've consciously killed 1 person. For those choosing not to act, imagine the number of victims increasing. 10, 20, 1,000? I bet at some point everyone pulls that lever. But consider this, no matter what you decide, you will feel guilty. Ask yourself, are all guilts born equal? Is the guilt of an action worse than the guilt of an inaction? And what if you have time to flip a coin? Is leaving the decision to chance a fair solution, or is it the most cowardly choice of all? And if you're still undecided, here is one final thought. Put yourself on the tracks. Imagine you are the lone person on the sidetrack. Do you hope the lever stays put? Now imagine you are one of the 5 on the main line. Do you pray for someone to pull it? Does your moral logic change when it's your life, literally, on the line? The trolley problem is a known thought experiment. Do you think that someone was forced to make this kind of decision in real life? I hope and pray that none of us will find ourselves in that situation, especially because this is just its basic form. There are variants of this dilemma, and we will explore some of them that will send shivers down your spine. Okay, let's put a stop to it for now. Please give the community your thoughts, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. One more thing, remember that we explore these ideas to grow and have fun. If the other side exists, do not hate it. They are entitled to their opinion as much as you are to yours. Bye, friends.